I've got my X13 open, blank plan, but I wanted to call your attention to this toolbar here, which I created, and it's library items that I picked out. It's kind of like exactly like what you wanted. And also, these are common items that I use all the time. There's air conditioner, a vent, um, smoke detector, fan, toilet, sink, kitchen sink, dishwasher, et cetera, et cetera. When you do that, you go up here to the right click on the main toolbar and choose customize toolbars. And you open this dialog here and type in LIB to get to the library stuff. And there's all kinds of tools here. The ones I'm interested in is place library object. So I'm going to click on that and drag it to my already extant tool down here. See, I've got some blanks for future items, but you can just drag those down into the toolbar and extend the toolbar. Okay, now that that's done, you just click on the icon, you get a dialog, and you go to the library and pick out the tool that you want. I'll go ahead and do one. If I could think of what I might need and want. Let me think about that first. And I've got custom toolbars like this in my X12, 11, 10. I don't think I have it anything before 10, but anyway. You just click here, select the library item you want this icon to represent. Let's see. I was going to pick something. Yeah, pick up BMW. Okay. Then you pick the icon you want to represent it. It can be in color or vector view. I'm going to choose vector view. And that, let me get rid of that. See, there's that icon right here at the bottom. BMW. So I think that's it's built in to Chief, and not a lot of people know about it, but I think that's what you're looking for. Hope this helps you. Thank you.